Well, good morning and welcome to Pioneer Update as we get caught up on what is happening at the Batesville School District, brought to you by the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. We're being joined by Mindy Shaw over at the Batesville Preschool. How are you today?
I am doing wonderful. How are you today?
Doing good, doing good. The weather's cleared up a little bit. We're going to end up with a nice day to start the weekend. Now let's talk about how things are going over at the preschool. Y'all have got a very busy schedule coming up.
We do. We have been adding some new playgrounds, and with that, we need help from parents, and we're going to be having a dad's work day this Saturday from 9 to 12 at the preschool to finish up some toddler playground equipment that we're placing, and we're also getting equipment placed on our preschool playgrounds. We're so excited about that. That's going to be complete this next week, and so I know the kids are waiting patiently.
Yeah, absolutely. The dad's getting out there finishing up that. That's a really cool thing for the kiddos to play with. And then you'll have some events coming up. Pastries with
Yes.
Pioneers. What is that?
Okay, we're going to be having a breakfast. We're going to have Pioneer Joe here with us, and we're going to have just some morning little pastries, and the parents and children can come in, and they can have a breakfast with each other before they go to class, just to kind of build some of that, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's bringing them, just, help them to have that little morning off to a positive start.
And then summertime's right around the corner for y'all, so y'all have got a lot of events as we head into summer, too.
Yes, we're going to be having Camp Pioneer this summer, and that's going to start June the 5th and run through August the 4th. It's our summer program for school-age kids, and we're still taking applications for that. So if anybody's interested, they can come by the preschool at 650 Vine Street. And as part of that, we're going to be having a Passport to Summer reading program for our pre-K classrooms here at the preschool and for Camp Pioneer, and that's going to be sponsored by Save the Children, and the children are going to be given a reading passport, and they can win prizes all summer long. They're going to get books. It's going to be really great. And then after that's all over, we're going to have a literacy luau, a little bit later in the summer, to celebrate that.
Well, that sounds like so much fun. It sounds like there's so many great things happening over at the Batesville Preschool, and we thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thank you so much.
That's the Pioneer Update, brought to you by Citizens Bank, a bank built for you.